Welcome to the 5th installment in our kitchen remodel vlog. To view prior episodes, please check out the playlist in the description below. In our last episode, the new slider door was installed. A floor register got moved. A pass-through was added to a wall. We visited the goats, and the subfloor was prepped for our new hardwood. Sarah and I spent our weekend outdoors getting our gardens ready for the spring planting season. Doesn't that compost soil look delicious? I can't believe we are starting the third week of construction. I did put dots on the floor. Of course, it's easier to fasten the subfloor down just a little bit tighter and get rid of those squeaks before the hardwood floor goes in. We have the Century dog guarding the hardwood. We've selected a 4 1/4 inch wide solid red oak for our hardwood floor. It's a Canadian brand called Wickham, and it has a dark brown finish that was a custom color called Mocha. Here's the first few courses after installation. I love it. We looked at so many flooring samples before finding this brand and finish, and seeing it on the floor exceeds our expectations. Bob has also started spackling, which will make those holes in the wall and ceiling disappear when the kitchen is painted. Look at that. We are within 2 feet of the edge of the room, and you can't see all the hardwood yet because it's protected. Tomorrow's a big day. Cabinets are being delivered tomorrow morning. I can't wait to see them. We saw sample boards at the showroom, but we really never saw a full cabinet in the colors that we selected. So I'm really super excited about tomorrow morning.
We're getting our cabinets today, so we need to make some room for them in the garage.
Sorry, girl. You're gonna have to give up your privileged parking space. Hi, Mark. There's another cameo for you. We'll let the Mustang warm up. And just like that, the garage and driveway were filled with boxes that contained the cabinets for our new kitchen. As each carton was opened, the cabinets were inspected for damage, and the doors, drawers, and sliders were removed and labeled so we'd know where they go to make everything easier to carry and put into place. Oh man, did we move quick. There was a storm moving in. All these big ones were out in the driveway. Whew, I'm tired. We have cabinet parts as far as the eye can see. So it's the next day, and I want to see if the camera can pick up the difference. We went with a two-tone.
Yeah, this is a two-tone.
So this is a two-tone, and so here you can see the difference. Yeah, you could definitely see it on the camera, Sarah.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
So a little bit about the cabinets. The wood is cherry. On the drawer faces and on the doors, it is a solid panel. Can we see the solidness there? This color is called Mocha. Espresso, sorry. It's a different type of coffee. That's espresso. And this is onyx. So basically a deep brown with a black. And they are transparent stains. So you get the wood grain from the cherry coming through. Here's a look at the cabinet installation progress. Bob started in the corner with the Lazy Susan base cabinet and worked out from there, leveling each cabinet case and joining the bases together almost seamlessly. So here's how the project's been looking to us through the plastic. Oh, look at that. You can start to see some of the cabinets fall into place. But why look at it through the plastic? Let's go around and see it in person. We're on the other side.
The dark side.
Whoa, look at that. Oven with storage below and above.
Bigger oven than what we had.
Yeah, double oven. Cabinet base, drawer, Lazy Susan, cabinet,
Trash.
drawer, trash, obviously sink, dishwasher. There's our pantry.
It's
Refrigerator will
huge.
go here. It is huge. So we'll have lots of storage. Can't wait. This is the first time I'm getting a feeling of what our new kitchen layout's going to look like. So this is our new view, looking through from the dining room.
Oh, wow. I love the end piece, the onyx end piece at the end of the dishwasher. It has gorgeous texture to it. I like the stripes. I think it's really actually very pretty.
Nice.
Yeah, I love that.
So
That's
even though we
pretty.
went with a black for the base
That's
cabinets,
pretty.
we wanted the transparent so you could see the grain of the wood coming
Yeah, it's
through.
really very pretty. Very pretty.
And what brand are our cabinets?
Medallion.
Medallion cabinets.
Oh, you can see the floor over here too. Yes, the floor uncovered.
Nice. I
The-
guess you
this
cut that
end
away
cap is
because that's
pretty
where the
too.
cabinet's going to be.
Yeah, they're all pretty.
Awesome.
Yeah, I love the real
Right.
wood. It's gorgeous.
Yep, and here you can see the hardwood.
Wow, this is so cool being over here. Hi. So cool.
So there you
So
go.
where's my omelet?
Where's your
Can you make
omelet?
me an omelet and serve me
We're gonna do an omelet station.
a momlet.
Nice. So there's your kitchen remodel update. We are 4 days into the third week of our project, and I just think he's making phenomenal progress.
Yeah, it's actually been 2 weeks and 2 days because he started on Tuesday. Well, maybe 3 days. But like, it's insane, like how much has been done already.
Yeah,
It's
it really is.
amazing.
All right.
Now's the fun part.
Now is the fun part. It's Friday morning, almost the end of a work week with lots and lots of progress. And look at all this. This is my storage. Drawers upon trays. And everything is staged here, all to go in. Here's a preview of one of the pieces of the crown molding that will top all of the cabinets that go to the ceiling. So that's going to go within 6 inches of the ceiling, and then we'll have a crown molding that joins around the outside edge, fills in the gap up to the ceiling. It'll follow the other cabinets. Oh, and you can see the height difference here. So up there you can see from the paint line where the old cabinets went up to, and that's the new line, the new cabinet. So it gives you another shelf in your cabinets. It just uses that vertical space. It's really such a bright room in the morning. It's part of the reason why we went with dark materials. And now that we've added all of this lighting, once the sun isn't in the back of the house, I'm sure it's going to be plenty bright. And there's your preview for the day. Friday morning. I can't wait to see it all come together. Zoe, what do you think, girl? The kitchen so far is Zoe approved. End of the third week. Wow, you got so much done. Look at that. Bistro area, refrigerator, above refrigerator storage, pantry. Oh yeah. I just got word that we have an appointment this Wednesday for the counter vendor to come out and take measurements for our Dolomite marble countertops. They will then create a template which will lay over the actual slabs of marble that we've chosen, and we'll have the opportunity to go to their workshop to see how the marble pattern aligns with the template before they cut it. Exciting times indeed. This kitchen's really coming together. I'm Mike. I want to thank you for joining us on our kitchen remodel journey. It would be awesome if you left a comment, gave the video a like, and I invite you to subscribe and join us for our next installment. I fixed it. Until then, be good, be well, and be safe, and I hope to see you soon.